I just want to address, no, because ito po yung parang mainit na issue, no, dun sa 6 billion, no. So, you can quote me on this, no. Attorney Carpio said that the 6 billion is fake and a lie. Okay? Wala siyang ganong pera. Okay? You can quote Attorney Carpio on that. It is fake and a blatant lie. Kumbaga sa Tagalog, marites po yun. Ha? Marites lang, chismis. Okay? Dahil ang ginawa po ng AMLA, kung babalikan nyo po, sinasabi na transaction value. Di ba? So, yung total amount ng mga transaction, inad-add nila. No? Nagdag, withdrawal, deposit, running balance. Attorney Carpio is not part of the impeachment proceedings. So, he is a private citizen. No? So, he doesn't want to be embroiled in this political circus. No? And more importantly, to disclose, no, his private information. But what we can say is that he does not have that 6 billion amount that is being publicly portrayed as a pure propaganda in the media. So wala po siyang ganung pera. Ha? Okay? But what exactly is the amount? Of course, we cannot divulge that. Diba? Kasi nga, private. Okay? But, kasi, ang pinating sinasabi na, may 6 billion eh. But, so yun po yung sinasabi niya. Wala siyang 6 billion. Sabi nga niya, it's fake and a lie. Marites nga, sabi nga.
Sir, earlier may nabanggit na bloated yung isang 2 billion. Instead of 2 billion, 2 million lang. So, sir, 6 billion minus 2 billion, like the 4 billion, is that safe to say, sir, na 4 billion lang yung...
It is not, of course. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga, hindi natin alam kung paano in-add eh. Kasi, di ba, wala naman kaming kopya. Siguro kayo, baka may kopya kayo, di ba? Pero basahin niyo puro doon sa mismong report. Hindi naman in-explain kung paano nila in-add yung 6 billion na yon. Saan nila kinuha? Di ba? Kasi sa sample mo nga, di ba? Pwedeng zero. Di ba? Kasi nga sabi ko, ang transaction value is not equivalent to the ending balance. Di ba? Magkaiba po yun.